Hey guys, what's going on? It's Greg here, and we are in Raleigh. So I've got everything set up for takeoff. The weather is a beautiful 75 degrees, and we are looking at sunny skies, so let's get this puppy into the air. Gonna do a precision takeoff. Alright, we are up. Let's get some altitude. Alright, we're going to take a position at about 300 feet. There we go, there is the city. I'm just gonna play with the EV setting here for a second. Let me see if I can bring down the contrast just a hair. Alright, we'll try with that. That's -1.3. Maybe that's a little dark. Let's go with -1 EV on this. So right now the weather is superb. We only have 9-mile-per-hour gusts all the way up to 1,000 feet. So right now we're circling. I am taking off from the museum district as usual. So let's just do one complete revolution here. Alright, and let's see, there is, I believe, the state capitol building below. Ahead of there, and then the museum is that away. So we're gonna first take a little flight over to the museum. And you've got this huge planet Earth globe here. Wow, take a look at that. I'm going to fly out here to this part, and then we're going to turn back around so you can see a good visual of it. And there's the globe. In fact, I still think I need to back up a little bit. There we go. Keep our height as we back up. Actually put a little bit of height on there. There we go. And then what we will do is a little side to side. And we can see a bird right in the almost center of the frame there, center of the lens. It's right over the globe right now. Stay away from me, bird. Stay away. Alright, we're gonna shimmy on back a little bit. So that is the Science Museum, and then if we keep on shimmying over to the right, I believe that's like the research annex of it right here. This is all part of that. Fantastic day to fly. And I think this is McDowell, if I'm not mistaken. I might be wrong on these streets, guys. But, well, let's just, I guess let's just go straight here. This looks like a good spot to start heading straight. Just follow the street below. You can put the gimbal down a little bit. And let's see, right now, guys, we are flying with... Right now we're flying with that sunshade, and I figure it's a pretty good day to test that out too, because it is definitely sunny. There we go. Give you a nice view there. Close distance a little bit. Now, as we get closer to these tall buildings, we're allowed to increase our height over the 400. Call it the 4x4 rule, where once you're within 400 feet, you can then ascend more than 400 feet, or actually 400 feet above the tallest structure there. Now, the tallest structure here is that BB&T building. That is 538 feet, so we're actually cleared for 938 feet or 135 meters if we're operating close to here. That is the official rules. So right now we're cruising at 581. I'll look down here a little bit. Look at that nice view we got. Alright. And I'm just going to fly a little bit this way. Don't want to get too far. We're staying within nice operable limits. So right now we're at 600. 630. And right now from 640 we can get a nice close view here. We'll come down a little bit. I don't want to be up too high. And here we are at the BB&T Tower. That's like the downtown Raleigh area. So now we're going to kind of look back towards where we came from. Wow, I can't get over this weather, guys. It's phenomenal. Give you a nice big sweeping picture there. And we can look down, and that's the Capitol building. So that's what we'll do. We'll just fly out of here. Raise our gimbal a little bit. And, whoa, we got like a helicopter here, so I'm gonna have to bring it down. Not so much for that.